Hi guys, for today's video, magluluto tayo ngayon ng stomach pig. Ayan yung stomach mga lods, very fresh. Very fresh ang ating stomach. Lalagyan natin siya ng ginger, white pepper, fresh kampong fish. Ayan, very fresh yan mga lodi, ang kampong fish. Ay, kampong chicken. Kampong chicken mga lodi, nagkamali tuloy ako. Kampong fish, kampong chicken mga lodi, very fresh. Ayan. Diba, mataba-taba pa, yellow. Ayan. At plus yung mushroom. Ayan, Taiwan mushroom mga lodi. And then, ang ating ribs. Pork ribs. Ayan, yun ang ingredients ng ating lulutuin for tonight. Ang ating stomach pig soup. Tapos, lalagyan natin siya ng 2 types of abalone. Ayan. Ito, very expensive from Australia. And then, this one from, I don't know.
Same night.
Australia also. New Zealand. Ayan. This one from New Zealand. Abalone. This one from Australia. This one more expensive. Australia. And this one is a bit cheap. But almost the same. Ayan. Ayan mga lodi. This one expensive abalone. We having 2 expensive abalone. Ayan. Lalagyan po natin siya ng pepper. Ayan. Ito po yung ating menu for tonight. Stomach pig soup. Stomach pig soup for tonight. Mga lodi. Yeah, we put already there. Yan, lalagay na natin. Plus, yung ating pepper. And then, boil. Boil, then we put the stomach pig.
The thick one.
The thick one first. Yeah. Ayan, ganyan magluto ang stomach pig soup.
Ito, one by one, no?
One by one. Pag nagkulo na itong mga lodi, lalagay na natin yung isa pang ingredients ng ating kampong chicken. Kampong chicken.
Boil that one first. Later put this one. After put
Boil.
baboy.
Yes.
Put chicken.
And the mushroom. Yes.
Mushroom also can.
Mushroom very faster to smell.
Lasa.
Yeah. Very nice, huh? And the smell good, eh. Can put also the soap.
Yummy.
Yeah, mom, every time.
Oh.
We wash first.
Wash
Yan
first,
mga lodi. Yeah. Yeah, this one is our kampong chicken and pork ribs, stomach pig soup, and our abalone. Ayan. Thank you for watching. God bless. Bye-bye.